Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to whitelist IP here in Salesforce. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Whitelisting IP addresses in Salesforce is a straightforward process that can serve multiple purposes, primarily centered around enhancing security and controlling access. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon and then click on Setup. Now, I want you to hover to the Quick Find section, and from here type in network access. That's going to be under security and click on it. Now here, as you can see, the list below contains ranges from sources that your organization trusts. All right, so users logging into salesforce.com with a browser from trusted networks are allowed to access salesforce.com without having to activate their computers. All right, so for example, if you want to allow a single IP address, put the same value in the start IP address. And for you to be able to do that, click this start IP address. All right. If you don't have one, you might want to click on this option that says start IP address. All right. That's going to be a series of numbers. For example, this, and of course, you need to put the same value in the start IP address and the end IP address. Okay, so these are just examples. Of course, the IP address would matter based on your own computer or network. All right, and of course you can put in a small description. In this case, I'm gonna put in something like this, and all you have to do, this is very important. All right, do not forget to click the save option to apply the changes. Now, what will happen is after saving, the IP address range will appear in the list of trusted IP ranges. All right. Let me click this cancel for now because I'm not gonna mess up the network. You would see the list of trusted IPs here. All right. So the IP address that you whitelisted will auto-populate this section. And again, if you want to set specific IP ranges for users of a particular profile, right, you can do so as well. And this process helps to ensure that only users from trusted IP addresses can access your Salesforce organization. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.